And we're live. So today I have Jennifer with me, and she lives in Melbourne. She's a young mother and married to Andrews, another digital business owner. Jennifer is a digital business owner. And I was just telling her how she is so inspirational. Her daughter is a little less than 2 years old. She's called Dora. And how she manages running her home, taking care of her house, looking after her baby, as well as running this business and educating herself as she goes on. So, as you all know, I'm doing Rich Dad, Poor Dad every day. And it's so important to have financial literacy. And the first thing Jennifer told me when we talked about doing a live together, she said, I'd like to talk about tax advantages for business owners. And I was so impressed. So, yes, Jennifer, you really inspire me. And
Yeah,
thank you for coming here. And do tell the audience a little bit about yourself.
yeah, definitely. Hi everyone. Like I'm Jennifer. Like I'm from India, but I live in Melbourne. I moved to Melbourne after my marriage. I had a little baby. Like as Nandini said, she's about to be two this January. Yeah, so I have started this business 3 months ago. Like I'm really excited to go forward into this, and when I started searching for employment here in Australia, it's really tough. Like with the inflation going on, it's really tough getting a job. So I was thinking what to do. Then I got this beautiful platform, like where you have all the support from the team. They're
Yeah,
always available to suggest you. So it's a very good platform. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to go deep into this.
it's
So
amazing. And she's
today I
always
came
training
to
herself.
Sorry, Nandini?
I said, you're always training yourself to do something new, I've seen.
Yeah, I'm trying to do, lots of reels. I'm being creative. I'm trying like different things, like which works out. I'm doing experimenting everything.
So,
Yeah.
Jennifer, what I was really interested in is how did you educate yourself? How did you get financial literacy? How did you do that?
I have seen like many reels on Instagram, like people are just scrolling and just, they're just doing it for the views, like they're not giving the proper information. And people like are really interested, like many are like scared of the tax concerns, like as I said you, because if we do the job and side as a business, like people are really scared, like for paying the taxes.
Absolutely. So, it's very, very important to understand the
Yeah,
types
like
of
people doesn't
expenses you
know
can
like what
claim.
are the advantages, like when you start an online business.
No, they don't
Yeah,
know. And that's why
there are.
financial literacy is very, very important to understand the laws in your country, speak to a tax consultant. These days so many courses are available, good books are available also, right?
And even I doesn't know until I came into this business. I have zero knowledge about the tax claims. Like, I learned everything after getting into this business. I did my research and I came to know from my coach. And, like I got very good knowledge from this.
Okay, great. So will you share some of this knowledge and tell us the kind of expenses one can claim?
Yeah, definitely, Nandini. Even I want to share my knowledge with people so that they can also learn about this and take further steps to start their own online business. Yeah. So there are actually different types of expenses like you can claim for the tax. The first thing is the operational taxes. In this, like you can claim website development, the expenses which you have spent for the website development, domain registration, and to develop the website you will be needing like many subscriptions and apps and many things. You can claim everything when you do an online business. That's the main advantage of this. And even you can also claim a part of the rent when you have the home office. A part of your home rent can also be claimed, the utilities, and the rent, the electricity bills, internet bills, and also you can claim part of your phone bills also. People doesn't know all these things.
No.
And you can also claim the when you go to the office related expenses, like the stationery, printers, laptops, computers, all this can be claimed. You can do your own business, and also as well as you can do your job, professional job. When you travel somewhere, you can also claim your flight tickets, the hotels, the taxes. And the main thing is you need to keep everything, the bill should be like, everything should be in order. You need to maintain that document in order to
Yes,
claim. That's the main very main reason. Yeah. And also you
absolutely.
can also claim the things which, when you give the amount to the chartered accountant, the tax consultants, all this can be claimed. And you can also,
Absolutely.
just a second, you can also claim the online courses, the subscriptions, and the ebooks which is useful for your business. You can claim all this stuff. People doesn't know like what are all covered. Many are thinking like online business is just something you're advertising or doing some reels and stuff. It's not the online business, and
No.
it's not the digital business. Because the people influencers, they do many reels, the people are in assumption that online business is just making reels.
Absolutely. So the point is, going back to what Jennifer said, this is the first thing my accountant taught me is that the minute you get a bill, file it. File
Yeah,
it, file it, file it.
you need to document it.
So it stays properly. Also, if you don't have hard copy, the soft copy on your computer, make different folders. And this I learned when I was designing a book for a particular conference. Make different folders and put, like,
Yeah,
just say travel, then put all your soft copy bills in there. Then
yeah,
you can put your, like, even for entertainment, do you know that you can get tax write-offs if you're taking somebody out for, like, for a meal to discuss the business. So
yeah,
whatever the different electricity bill, phone bill, whatever the soft copy you have, put in different folders. And that'll make your life easier for you at the end of the
yeah,
year when
exactly.
you sending everything to your
When you
tax
start a
consultant.
business and you think all can be covered, and if you don't save the bills and you don't document it, there's no point. You cannot claim anything.
No,
Yeah,
exactly. So that's so good. So you're saying that you just learned on the way, on, like, as you were doing this business, you have educated yourself.
yeah, yeah.
That's so good. Wow. I told you I really admire this girl.
Uh-huh.
She's an all-rounder. So that really shows that she's giving this her 100%. And you're very right. Many people think, oh, they just do reels and you smile and do go lives and that's the business.
Yeah, and many people also think that some people think that, oh, what they do only reels and stuff, they do nothing. But that in depth, they doesn't know anything, like what's going in the background, they doesn't know anything. Just they assume that just making reels, they are doing something in the social media, they are doing all time pass things and all.
No, you can't run your home if you're doing that,
Yeah,
right?
people just judge without knowing about it.
That's the thing. I always tell somebody, you want to find out how an ice cream tastes. You go to the store, you at least try a little bit, and then you decide, right? You
Yeah,
don't decide
even
before
when
trying.
we post the thing, like when we people will approach me like, what's their business, what is this? And when I say them to sign up and watch the webinar, they'll just ignore.
Every business, I was thinking this morning when I woke up, every business has a business policy. Okay? Even a chemist has the policy of the store. So
Yeah,
you walk into the chemist, this is the line which you go into to order your medication.
yeah,
Then this is the line where you pay your bill. Then this is the line where you show your bill and you take your medication. Same way in our business, we have a business policy. Number one, you register on our website, then either Jennifer or I become your mentor. Okay, you register on our website, we send you a link to watch a free info session, a free workshop. You watch that workshop, You like it because it teaches you how to start your own business and it tells you a little bit about our business. The next step is you pay a registration fee, a one time registration fee of $149. For that one time fee, you get a set of pre coaching information where you're told what our company is, what our product is, exactly what you will do as a digital business owner, and all the platforms that we do our marketing on. Everything you're told. You'll also be connected to our Facebook group where you can snoop a 250,000 people, many success stories, and find out exactly what you are. You'll
But
also get to know our
when
company.
awesome.
That's our policy. That's our policy. And for 1 month, you can ask us questions. If you think this is not for you, you'll get a full refund. We're a serious business. You have to understand that, right, Jennifer?
Exactly, Nani. But when you say people paying that 149, they declare that it's a scam.
Hello. If you want to go to a shop and buy something, you have to pay money. This is not a job. This is a business. In a business,
Exactly.
you pay
Many
money.
people don't even have that knowledge what is business, and they doesn't differentiate between the business and job. They think even if we say, if we make a reel that this is a business opportunity, they'll just message us, can I do this job?
It's not a job. It's a business. For a business, you pay for the franchise. And we are a
Yeah.
two-pronged business. One is where it's what we do, and the other one is where we learn. And in our business, you can earn while you learn. Business is the key word here, not job. Right?
People just need money without working.
Yeah, that's
Just
not
free money.
possible.
Yeah.
There are no free lunches. Okay, so next is why tax claims matter and their long term benefits.
Yeah, I can definitely say they will benefit because when you claim taxes and you show all the deductions in your business, you can save heaps of money, very, very, very large amount. So you can reinvest this money in your business. You can develop your products. You can develop your website. You can do many ads, marketing, advertising like Google ads, Instagram posts, and YouTube ads, many things. You can do many things. You can also hire freelancers and content creations. You can also do many things with the amount which you save on taxes. Basically, with the traditional employment, they do get the tax deduction is on the gross income because they get amount after the tax is deducted.
Yes.
But in business, it's not like that.
No.
Yeah, you show all the deductions, and after the deductions, the left off amount is taxed. Yeah,
Yes.
you are only taxed on your net income, not on the gross income.
So you understand that in a job, you are taxed on your gross income. If you are paid 200 rupees, you're taxed on the 200 rupees, right? In a business, the 200 rupees, you take out your expenses first, and then
Yeah,
you're taxed on the amount that's left.
yeah.
That's the
Example,
difference.
like if you say that you have earned like 5,000 rupees in a month.
Yes.
So when you claim tax, you show all the deductions like 3,500 rupees. If you show the deductions like for all the equipment, like something, whatever it is, if you show the deductions with bills, you'll only be taxed for the rest 1,500 rupees.
Yes.
But in the employment, if you earn like 5,000 rupees, it will be like each country has different percentages of tax. So depends on that, the tax will be deducted and you get the amount. The rest amount will be into your account. That's the main difference
Exactly.
between the employment and the business.
Exactly. So, as an actor, okay, we
Yeah.
first had to pay our TDS.
Okay.
Then after that, you pay your percentage to your manager.
Yeah.
You pay for your transport. You pay for your makeup and hair. You pay for your whatever you need for that day,
Yeah.
like your clothes or
Yeah.
whatever. And then you get one chitku bitku amount left.
From starting that will be this much, and in the employment reducing, the final is this much which comes into your pocket.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
The
So,
business,
guys.
The first this much will be into your pocket, then you'll show all the deductions, and the only retained amount will be taxed.
Yep. So this is the end of part one, guys. Jennifer and me will be coming back next week to talk about what advice you give to someone who's already running a side business while working at a regular job. So Jennifer will tell us if you're running a side hustle, what advice would she give them? And how can someone use tax savings from their online business to grow their business? These two questions she will be answering us next week. And please understand that she has self taught herself. I think that's brilliant, Jennifer,
Yeah.
really.
Thanks, Nandini.
So, any last word of wisdom to the audience before we leave?
So, guys, try to start an online business. Not only this business, I suggest you to start any online business because there is so much to learn and so much to make. You
Yes.
doesn't know. You just think that you knew everything. No, you just explore things and try to learn new things and start. Just start an any online business because there are many advantages that you don't know. Just do it, guys.
Absolutely. I totally agree with you. So, all you have to do is go to Jennifer's website and register with your full name and email ID, or to my website and register with your full name and email ID.
Yeah, we'll
Thank you
be
so
guiding
much.
you from there. Don't worry.
Yeah,
We are always here for you guys.
absolutely. See, she really takes out the time. Very inspirational. Okay, bye, Jennifer. I'll see you soon
See
next
you next
Friday,
week. Yeah,
same time.
same time. Yeah. Bye bye.